Why is it so hard to read the pH readings on a test strip for your pool or spa? Well, the answer is very simple. Test strips are super convenient for testing your water chemistry, but they're not super accurate. And of all the things that they're not accurate with, the thing that they're least accurate with is with the pH reading. I do believe that there's actually no true method to test pH with a test strip. And what you're seeing on this pool and spa test strip that you're using is kind of like an approximation test. It's supposed to put you kind of in the right range, but it was never intended to be super accurate. And that's kind of under ideal situations where you're not having adverse water chemistry of the pH or any of the other water chemistry variables, because any one of them being really far from the ideal range is enough to invalidate your test strip, as is the age of the test strip itself and the method that you're using it and how fast you read the test strip after you dunk it and the amount of light and the kind of light that you're in when you read it. And further to that, even from person to person, the ability to differentiate the yellow and red spectrum of color is actually quite different from person to person. So, I mean, you've got a real uphill challenge here to read an accurate pH on a test strip. The idea is that you use test strips for a quick double check, especially for the sanitizer level, because they're pretty useful at that, less useful for the pH. And then rely on bringing your water into a local pool and spa store for a free water analysis, or buying a test kit from like Taylor Technologies, for example. They're kind of like the gold standard for at-home pool and spa water testing. If you do this, you will have a lot more luck reading that pH level, because a test strip is just far from ideal for the pH. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.